4.6, solving compound inequalities. Alright, I don't want to complicate this for you. The rule that we've always said and always done, what you do to one side, you do to the other, applies with these problems too, except what you do to one side, you do to all sides. It's not a change, it's just expanding on the rule. So let's go ahead and look. We'll go straight into the example problems. So actually, hold on. We'll just do a practice problem. So let's go to page 143, 4.6c, and let's just go ahead and do that one. -3 less than or equal to -2x plus 1 is less than or equal to 5. So what we want to do is just get the variable by itself like always. So let's just look at we want to break it up into chunks, or think about it in chunks. One chunk, one chunk, one chunk. See, and we define the chunks as being separated by our little signs right here. So all we want to do is get the x by itself. So we do what we normally do. We subtract the 1 first, and what we do to one side, we do to all sides. That's the only difference here. We have 3 parts, but our rules are still the same. -3 minus 1 is -4. These things cancel. We have -2x. And then 5 minus 1 is 4. And then to get x by itself, we divide by -2, divide by -2, divide by -2. Now remember, well, let's just do our divisions first. These cancel. 4 divided by 2 is 2. These things cancel. 2 divided by 2 is 1. So we just got an x. And then 4 divided by 2 is 2. And that negative means it's -2. Now remember, our rule for multiplying or dividing by negative numbers means we flip our signs. So flip it and flip it. So now we see that x is less than or equal to 2, but greater than or equal to -2. Now, you may not have any context for what this means, and you don't need to necessarily, but the point is we got x by itself, and we followed our rules just like normal. Let's go ahead and do some practice problems. I'll do number 6. We got -3 less than x minus 1 less than 0. We want to get x by itself. All we got to do is add 1, and what we do to one side, we do to all sides. So we got -2 less than x is less than 1. That's all we have to do for problems 1 through 24, is just get the x by itself. Let's do another question. Let's do question 18. -3 less than -4x plus 1 less than 9. Get the x by itself, subtract 1. What we do to one side, we do to all sides. That's -4 less than -4x less than 8. Divide by -4. Cancel, cancel. Divide by -4, divide by -4. These negatives cancel, the 4's cancel. We got 1, but we divide it by a negative, which means the signs flip. X, signs flip, -2. So that's basically all these problems. I'll go ahead and do one more actually. Let's do number 24. We've got -2 less than or equal to 3x plus 1 over 4 less than or equal to 4. So this one's a little bit different. If you go back and watch the clearing fractions video, you'll know that whenever we see fractions, we just want to multiply everything by that fraction. So think of it like multiplying everything by 4 through distribution. 4 times -2 is -8. Right here, the 4's cancel, so we just get what's in the numerator. And then 4 times 4 is 16. And now we got a problem we can work with. Subtract 1, subtract 1, subtract 1. We got -9 less than or equal to 3x less than or equal to 15. Divide by 3 from all sides. And now we've got -3 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 5. Boom. Alright, that's all for this video. Bye.